Why, hello there. It'd be great if that child wouldn't cry. It's Stepney. It's Stepney's crying. He's very sad. I think what you're going to have to do is donate on Patreon or buy Teespring merch because it'll make him happier. Hello everyone, TERRIER Stepney here. I hope you're well. I hope you're staying inside and keeping safe. I'll cut straight to the point. We now have a Patreon page because I could use a little bit of help in these pretty difficult times. I've got a lot of projects and things I want to do that I could use a little bit of funding for now that all my plans have been messed up. So I'd really appreciate anything you can give on there. We have 3 tiers and they're just all low cost. So we've got BAXTER tier, which is £1 a month, Bluebell tier, which is £5 a month, and top TERRIER tier, which is £10 a month. And you get a whole load of exclusive perks with those, so you can get early access to videos up to 2 weeks in advance. You'll get bonus videos behind the scenes, and you can also have your name at the end of each video as well. So yeah, check the link down in the description for that. I'd really appreciate anything you can give, and you can also get 15% off on our new Teespring shop as well. We've only got a few things on there at the minute, but I'm hoping to get a lot more commissioned artwork to go on there, so you can get Stepney related mugs and shirts and things like that, but also like railway memes and stuff. Maybe we'll see how it goes. Obviously there are people and organisations that are suffering much more than I am through the virus, so I've decided that in the first month of the Patreon and the Teespring shop, that is like the whole of April, 50% of everything raised in both will go towards the Bluebell Railway and the Talisman Railway, 25% each. They've both opened donating pages because obviously they're not running trains, they can't earn money. So yeah, 50% of everything raised in April towards my Patreon or the Teespring shop will go towards them, hopefully just to give them a little bit of a boost in this difficult time. Other than that, again, I hope you're well, I hope you're staying inside. There's some things to look forward to. We've got a live stream coming up, hopefully. I'll do a compilation just for those who are stuck inside, and we do have a new episode on the way. It's been filmed, it just needs editing, and I'm hoping to get that out to you soon. So yeah, look after yourself, look after others from a distance, and see you soon.